today I'm gonna show you guys how to boil wash doll hair. And so here's Agnes. Her hair is a mess. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but it's really kind of frizzy. I did something to it. Yeah, as you can see there. Yeah, so I need to fix that. So let's get started. And yeah. Also, you gotta cover her face. So I kind of forgot to mention that you should get permission before boiling water because it can be dangerous, so do that. So basically I boiled some hot water on the stove and you're gonna let that sit for about a minute before you dip the doll in, depending on how big your thing is. Mine didn't have to sit for that long because it is smaller. But she's gonna be in there for about 5 seconds and then you're gonna take her hair out, and you do not wanna get the wig cap. I just repeated this process a couple times. Also, you want to have a bucket of ice cold water also to dip the doll in after the boil wash, because boil washing can damage their hair. So yeah, basically you just want to look out for that because it can be kind of risky, I guess. And here I am doing it to another doll too. And yeah, that's basically how you boil wash hair. You want to make sure their eyes are covered though, just so you know. But thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, ask me in the comments or something. Bye guys!